Hi my Dazzlers, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how I recreated this Kriti Sanon inspired makeup look. I thought this is perfect for Valentine's Day and it's just got the right amount of pink and purple and it looks beautiful and very pretty. So now let's get started. The problem with soaps is the dryness, and then obviously a lotion is a must for moisturizing. And soaps that are moisturizing don't clean very well. But Mamaearth Moisturizing Lotion Soap is the perfect 2-in-1 solution. Gives moisturizing benefits of a lotion plus gives a deep cleanse. Soap bhi, lotion bhi. It has vitamin C which illuminates your skin and gives it a glow. Makes it smooth and well moisturized. It's the perfect soap for those wanting to take care of their skin while busy in everyday life. It contains no toxins or harmful chemicals, and it also comes in another variant, Upton. I feel like taking bath right now. With your every purchase on Mamaearth's website, Mamaearth plants a tree on your behalf. These are available online at Amazon, Nykaa, Purple and Flipkart and in stores near you. Use code SUSH2024 to get 20% off on Mamaearth's website and app only. Check the links in the description. First of all, I'm going to prep my skin and I'm going to apply a moisturizer. इसके बाद हम लोग थोड़ा सा primer लगा लेते हैं. So I'll apply primer on my cheeks, a little bit on my nose and chin area. After this, we're going to apply a foundation. Foundation के साथ मैं थोड़ा सा beauty oil भी apply कर रही हूँ. फिर थोड़ा सा mix कर लेते हैं and we'll apply it on our face. Now taking a beauty blender, I'm just going to blend it. I love how shiny my skin already looks. Now I am going to do my eyebrows. Just shape it a little bit. I'm going to take my powdered contour and I'm going to contour my face. But contour very, very lightly. Shouldn't look like a very heavy contour. Jawline and nose. Now I'm going to quickly use a pink blush. So ये color मैं use कर रही हूँ. Okay, now I'm going to use a concealer. I'm going to apply the concealer under my eyes. Actually, आप concealer, contour और blush के पहले use कर सकते हैं. आज मैं भूल गई concealer use करना. I don't know how. मुझे blush फिर से लगाना पड़ेगा. But it's okay. होता है कभी-कभी you forget to apply things. It's fine. Now my under eye area looks so fresh. तभी मैं सोच रही हूँ कुछ भूल रही थी मैं. Now I'm going to set my under eye area with a loose powder. Now I'm going to apply a little bit of more blush. For this look, use a blush, whichever blush goes with your complexion, whichever blush suits you the most. If you've got a complexion like mine, use a pink blush. That's what I'm using today. And a little bit on the nose too. So we'll apply the highlighter later. पहले हम लोग eyes कर लेते हैं. For my eyes, I'm going to be using this pink shade. It's a very, very pretty pink shade. It's like a pure pink shade. Very pretty. आपके पास similar जो भी color है आप use कर सकते हैं. And we're gonna apply this shade all over our eyelids. Also apply the same shade on your crease area and take it out just a little bit. We're gonna apply the same shade on our lower lash line. Just like that. The eyes look so pretty and fresh. Okay, now taking a purpley shade. If you've got something similar to this, then use that. We'll take it and apply it in the inner corners of our eyes, in the inner third area of the upper lash line and the lower lash line. And then for the third shade, we are going to take something like this, which is a mix of gold and pink. अगर आपके पास similar color नहीं है तो आप बहुत ही हल्का golden भी use कर सकते हैं, which is not very loud, which is a very, very subtle golden. We'll just take that and apply it in the middle of our eyelids, right in the center. Now we're gonna apply mascara, also on the lower lash line. And last but not the least, I'm gonna apply lipstick. And this is the shade that I'm going for. For the highlighter, I'm using this shade on my brow bone, my cheeks, my nose and chin. I'm going to use a lighter shade of lipstick. So I'm going to use this shade first. And now I'm going to add this shade. Just a very small amount. And then I'm going to add a gloss. and we're done with the look. Alright guys, so that was it. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial, and if you did, then do subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.